Hello everyone. How to check if a refrigeration system is healthy. Now, each time you want to check the pressure inside a refrigeration circuit, you're going to lose about 3-4 grams. And over the years, that soon adds up, doesn't it? But there's one little test you can do. And for this, you're going to need to download a Danfoss app, and it's really quite useful. I've got some heat pumps here. So on a heat pump circuit, you've got high and low sensors. And we're going to look at the temperatures on the heat pumps, and then we're going to look at the pressure inside the refrigeration circuit. Enjoy. Any questions, ask your tutor. So here we have the high pressure sensor. And we notice the high pressure sensor because it's on the condenser. Here we have the low pressure sensor, and that's on the side of the evaporator. There's refrigerant. What we could do is we could clamp the condense refrigerant side, get the temperature reading. From that, we can go on the Danfoss tool app. Let's say, for example, the condense was 65 degrees. Let's put that on the tool. So go to the Danfoss app, select R290 propane, select it, go to your temperature, put in 65 degrees, and that'll tell you the pressure inside the refrigerant system. 23.43 bar. Here we have a Schrader valve, look. So each time you connect your pressure gauge onto that, you're going to be losing 3 milligrams. Now, this is the preferred tool you can use. So basically, you screw it on. So basically, you screw your hose onto there, you screw that into the Schrader valve, then you open it up. It just means no refrigerant is escaping in the atmosphere.